this hair, this makes me feel like so posh. Like, yes, I'm here to pick up my children. Ready like for parent teacher conference. Like what? Hi, that is my husband. Yes.
Boy, if you don't.
This is crackhead behavior. Let me stop. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lashania. You call me Mama L. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're a loyal subscriber, you already know the drill. So today we are going to talk about this unit that was sent to me by Luvme Hair. Okay, girls get sponsorships now. Feel great. So first things first, I am in love with this wig. I usually don't really care for short hair that much, but lately I have been wearing it. But I try to get inches that's like 14, close to 16, but this 12-inch is looking like great. Let's get into it. The wig that I was sent is called Bob Wig Human Hair Closure Wig Silky Blunt Cut. And I didn't want to curl it, even though I like to bump my ends, but I want to try something different because I've never had like a blunt cut like this. And I actually think it's really cute. So right now, this wig is being sold for $111.90. The original price for this wig is $279. $279.80. Yeah, couldn't be me. I am gonna vote for this hair on a scale of 1 to 10, but now thanks to Sophiology, she gave me a really good idea that for each number ranking, each point is gonna be worth something. So I thought of 10 things that I personally am always looking for in hair. So shipping, smell, service, shedding and tangling, touch and texture, construction, price, true to length, and heat. Literally, the wig just came in. I ran downstairs running after DHL. Don't play with me, get my wig, sir. Luckily that they did send me a closure wig. I didn't have to do much plucking with the whole frontal situation. And honestly, I was in the mood for baby hairs today. I kind of wanted to put it on the way that they sent it. So that's why I didn't really curl it at all. I just left it blunty how they wanted it. First of all, I just want to say this is the cutest packaging that I've ever received from any company, and I don't know if it's because they know they were sending it to me, but this is the cute packaging ever. I will put a clip right here of me unboxing it. It came with a cute bow on top. It came with this cute, where is it? Oh. They came with this cute clip saying "Love Me" on it. And I've been obsessed with these little clips right now, so perfect timing. Came with nice stocking cap, clips, bobby pins, caps, comb, wax. They was really looking out for me. They really helped your girl out. So I totally appreciate that. And if that's what y'all get in your boxes too, please let me know. This wig is 12-inch, like I said before. It came with 3 clips. 2 in the front, 1 in the back, as usual. It came with the elastic band already on there for me. That's never happened. Like, I am extra grateful. Like, you just saved me so much. This is really a wig that you could take out the thing, cut the lace, put on your head, go about your day, sis. The hair smells great. The shipping was really fast. When we were emailing back and forth, I'm pretty sure the hair came in 5 days. Right after they said, "I'm shipping it to you," they basically shipped to me. I think the next morning I woke up and I got like a DHL alert. Like, "Oh girl, your wig is coming." They definitely got a point for that. Check. Yay. 2, it smells fine. Check. Great. Service, they were so sweet, so nice to communicate with over email. You know, sometimes language barrier could be different, and it was really sweet. I really liked them. Shedding and tangling, so far, I have no shedding, and I usually don't really experience shedding with shorter hair. Every time I've gotten a bob type hair, I've never experienced much shedding, but you know, in an update, I will let you know. Texture and touch, it is actually silky, like how the damn title says, and yes, they're accurate with their adjectives. And construction, I actually really do love the wig construction. This is my first time having a closure wig. I've actually always had frontal wigs. Price, I will say this wig is really nice. but if the regular price hitting 200, personally me, I'm not dropping $200 on a bob wig. I personally would like to, I would rather drop $200 on like, you know, a long to the thong wig. So I don't really know how I feel about pricing. I think it's a little bit much of pricing. I don't know if I'm gonna give you out points for that one. True to length, it is true to length. I had my roommate Kristen measure it. So it's definitely 12 inches. And I honestly feel like it's a little bit longer, but it's definitely 12 inches. And I did try to make it, because when I came out the box, and you guys can kind of see the shape a little bit, I wanted to go up more out, but still keep that blunt cut. So it does curl if I really wanted to, because I tried a little piece. So for me, I'm giving this wig a 9. I love it. It's so cute. It's so flowy. It's really thick. You can't see through it. You know what I'm saying? You can't see through the wig now. And yeah, like I love it. So they said that this is 100% virgin hair and it's from one donor. So that's actually really nice. So maybe that's why it's a bit up in the $200, because, you know, it could be cheap if you grab everybody and their mama hair and put it in a wig. Like, you don't really know how the wig's gonna work. So, you know what? For it to be, oh, $279.80. Okay, so that's near $300. I don't know about all of that, but knowing that it comes from one donor is really nice. This is 200 density, which I actually believe, because you really cannot see through this, and I love thick hair, that's one. Natural black, I agree. More like dark brown. I don't know if you see black, so more brown. And the lace is Swiss lace. So you know what? I ain't gonna knock them for putting that little price on there. I'm a little washy with the price. I don't know. Y'all know I'm just cheap. That's the problem. I'm really cheap. Swiss lace, one donor. All right, I give it to you. All right, $200. $200. Let's do $200. Love me here. I cannot wait to give you guys an update on it. This is really cute. I'm telling you. Lord for what? You can have a Edna. Sorry sis, move over. So that is really it that I have for you guys today. If you have any other questions, you know I try my best to answer all of them. That's really it for this video. Hope to see you guys in the next. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's really free. It's really free. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I think I'm gonna put another video right here because you're clearly already comfortable. You know, might as well you just click another video that I'm gonna put right here for you. Merry Christmas.